Hello everyone, I'm Michaela, and today we will talk about AI versus governments and where Salesforce admin must draw the line. AI is moving fast in Salesforce, faster than the governance models. And in this video, we are going to talk about where AI helps and where admins must actively draw the line. Salesforce AI can generate flows, prompts, reports, and insights in seconds, but governance isn't about speed. It's about control, accountability, and predictability. If AI changes production behavior without a review, you don't have governance. You have a risk. AI excels in drafting automations, suggesting logic, translating requirements, and accelerating repetitive work. When used correctly, it makes admins fast and more effective. But admins need to draw clear boundaries around production deployments, permission changes, data updates at scale, and compliance-related logic. AI should suggest but not decide. Here's what happens without governance. AI-generated flow go live without fault paths. Permissions are overgranted. Validation logic blocks legitimate data, and none of these fail loudly. They fail quietly. My recommended model is to use AI in sandboxes. Admin review should be always required, and there shouldn't be auto deployments. And you should always track changes and document everything. This gives velocity without losing control. AI doesn't replace governance, it makes it more important. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye.